Hey guys, here are 4 tips on how I keep my home fresh and clean with Panasonic Comfort Cloud. When I'm not home, I turn on Nano EX with fan mode on. That way, the air conditioner runs without cooling, which uses minimal energy, and that keeps my home fresh and clean throughout the day. If I'm at home, I leave Nano EX running together with the air conditioner. It helps reduce odors, mold, bacteria, viruses, and allergens, so the air stays cool, clean, and comfortable. I always check the air quality of my home right here. Red means poor, orange means fair, and green means good. So I know exactly what my indoor air quality is like. I clean my air conditioner regularly using inside cleaning. Just turn off the air conditioner, then tap on inside cleaning and it will start on demand. The system dries and inhibits pollutants deep inside the air conditioner with the help of Nano EX. This helps prevent molds from building up and keeps my air conditioner clean and fresh. And because I can be a little forgetful, I set it to work automatically. Just tap on Auto Nano EX inside cleaning and turn it on. This allows my air conditioner to go into inside cleaning mode automatically. With Panasonic Comfort Cloud, a few taps are all it takes to keep my air and air conditioner cool and comfortable. Anytime, anywhere.